A photon appears, but its story does not end when the light is gone. Its echo is still waiting inside the matter. We begin with an ensemble, every atom standing by. Then a powerful control pulse lifts the energy up high. Population gets inverted, now the medium is primed, till a photon leaves spontaneously appearing right on time. But the spark is amplified as it travels through the field. ASE is growing stronger while the hidden states are sealed. What may sound like random noise has a pattern underneath. Light and matter stay connected through a quantum kind of link. There is something left behind inside the atomic wave, a collective excitation that the material can save. So the light escapes the crystal, but the story is not through, because part of that emission leaves a memory in view. Then the phases drift apart,
each frequency moves alone.
What was once aligned in rhythm
starts to lose its common tone. Bring the echo from the light, turn the phases, make them right. What was scattered in the night
returns as RASE,
alive and bright. Echo in the light, do not fade away. What the matter holds can return so.
And homogeneous broadening makes the frequencies divide. Every atom follows timing with the different step and stride. And another pulse is coming, turning evolution round, guiding all the drifting phases back toward a common sound. What was scattered finds an order, what was hidden starts to rise, and the stored excitation reappears before our eyes. Now the medium releases what it carried deep inside as a delay. Feel the light returning on the other side. That is rephased, amplified, spontaneous emission. Not a normal photon echo, but a quantum transmission. No external input signal, simply plays its part again. This is earlier emission being reconstructed from within. ASE is first and RASE arise after the delay. Two correlated fields connected in a non-classical way. Time reflected partner modes linked across the space between. Source and memory united in one quantum like machine. Rare earth ions in a crystal, frozen code in tune with care. Praseodymium or erbium, quantum signals moving there. Powerful pulses,
fragile light,
every detail
must be right.
Leakage, noise, and lost coherence
challenge every experiment. Hold the rhythm, hold the light. Matter keeps the trace inside.
For the future quantum network, every stored connection counts. Longer memory and efficiency will raise the useful amounts. Many temporal modes can carry information through the line. Multiplexing several channels makes the architecture climb, but amplifying noise can enter, extra photons interfere. Reabsorption steals the signal we control, can make it disappear. Every phase must be recovered, every pulse must land precise, or the echo turns to shadow when the quantum link pays the price. When the balance comes together, noise becomes a useful start, and the source can hold a memory deep inside. It's quantum hard, it's not magic, it is physics. Every process has a role, light can leave the after medium, while the matter keeps its soul.
Bring the echo from the light, turn the phases, make them right. What was scattered in the night
returns as RASE,
alive and bright.
ASE sends while RASE recalls. Light and matter break the walls, source and memory intertwine, building networks for tomorrow's mind. First, the light is born, then its trace remains. A control pulse reverses the phase evolution, and memory becomes light again.